What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Right now we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. I did not get the Classic because I'm not really a fan of the rotating bezel. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really care for it too much. I don't. And for what I use my smartwatch for, just being practical, I don't need the bezel. I'm a very active guy. I'm running, I'm jumping, I'm sprinting, sweating profusely. And when I tell you it's disgusting, it is disgusting. I need a sports band. That's what I need. And after my experience with this Apple Watch Ultra right here, after my experience with it, spending $800 on a smartwatch, I came to the quick realization I don't need an $800 smartwatch. I needed something simple to get me through my day-to-day. And if you're that person, this video is going to be helpful for you. This advice and critique I'm going to give you, it's going to be helpful. But for right now, we're just going to do an unboxing, hands-on first impression of the Galaxy Watch 6. Again, I've had a Apple Watch for the last 2 years, so I'm going to be going back to this. Are there going to be some differences, some things I wish it had that it doesn't have, some things I'm glad it has, and some things that I can't live without? Yeah, it's going to be all that. But overall, we had to get the smartwatch for the smartphone. There's no other way around it. That's how I do it. So we're going to get into this. But if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying all these gems, all these goodies I'm dropping. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. So as you can see, we have the box right here, Samsung branding on the bottom. You have the watch in the middle. No, the band does not look like that if you're wondering, but we're about to open it really quick. The Galaxy Watch logo right there, Samsung Galaxy Watch on the side, nothing on that side. On the back, just a bunch of barcodes and gibberish. So let's find out where to open this bad boy because I don't want to make any mistakes. All right. So, oh, it opens right up. Opens right up. All right. Nothing on the top part of this. Gonna get rid of that. You have right here, I believe the watch bands will be in here. So, let's pull this out really quick. Huh. Is there anything else in here? I think so. I hear something shaking. It's rattling. Something's in here. Something's in here. It'll come out. It'll come out. Anyways, you have your device right here. Let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Pretty standard. Basically looks like what I've had before, but it's cool. But one thing that I did notice in the Samsung Unpacked event was that it has these new smart release clips for the bands now. What is this? This says, do not accept if the seal is broken. Yeah, it's just tabs to like pull off the box. I don't know why this is in here, but you know, if you get the watch, now you know this comes inside. Kind of pointless, but hey. So if you look right here, also in the box, you have your charging cable. You have USB Type-C to your charging pad right here. So obviously we need this. I think I have a few of those around, so never run short. And then there's nothing else in the box. Are the bands in here or am I tripping? Did I miss the bands? Where the heck are the bands? Or is it sold separately? Are you kidding me? Maybe that's why this was separate. I'm assuming. Maybe that's why this was separate. But here you have the watch band. But I don't know why they would make me purchase this separate. I don't get it. But let's take this off really quick. I don't need to be pretty. I don't want to get a leather one and sweat through that thing. And again, you guys know by now, I have a little OCD. So I'm going to get more watch bands anyway. All right. We got that off. Peel this open. All right. And here is the sport band. So let's see. Here are these smart or quick release latches that everyone's talking about. Hopefully this works out well because the last time I used a Samsung Galaxy Watch, I had so many freaking issues taking off those damn clips because they had those little tiny ass pins in there that you had to line up perfectly and they would pop off because the spring was so springy it would pop off. I would lose it on the floor in the carpet. I couldn't find it again. But now they have this basically a quick release like Apple has. So it should make putting this on and taking it off a lot smoother. All right, so here's your Samsung logo. So it's facing this way. So I'm going to put it on accordingly. All right, so we have the watch band here. Let's get rid of that. So we have the watch band here. Now all I need to do is set this bad boy up. So as you can see, Galaxy X, whatever, Galaxy 6. And get started in the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. So let's pop that open. I haven't even looked at that yet. Okay, there we go. Connect. Voila. Haha. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Use while using the app. Yes, I want to do that. And then I want my watch to be findable. Send me notifications. Sure. Why not? All right. So this is getting started. Update, of course. Update. Sure. Why not? Why not? All right, here we go. Right here. Now we're going to set this up. Continue. Yes, everything is correct. Yes, I don't mind you connecting to my Bluetooth. Sure, why not? Now it's downloading the software. It says 100 already. Damn, this thing is fast. You want to manage my watch? My watch wants to manage my watch. Look at this. It says allow Galaxy Watch 6 manager to access your watch. Well, of course. You're the manager. Send me notifications? Sure, why not? All this? Sure, I agree. Get automatic updates. Yes, sir. And now it's getting the watch ready. So we're going to let this load up and then we'll be back. Let's take a little break. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm still setting it up. So I'm going to test this out. And the reason I want to point this out because I had issues with the Apple Watch in this regard. I am forced, or I was forced to wear my Apple Watch Ultra or any Apple Watch on my right wrist because I have tattoos on my left wrist on the bottom and top. For some reason, the Apple Watch sensors cannot read through my tattoos. So whenever I'm doing a workout, it just stops the workout, or it says wrist not detected, or it'll lock my phone because it thinks it's off of my wrist because for some reason tattoos interfere with their sensors. So in regards to this, I'm going to try to set this up for my left wrist because that's where I would normally wear my watch. I just got so accustomed to wearing it on my right wrist because of the issue that I had with the Apple Watch. So we're going to try to go back to the left wrist. So I'm going to set this preference to left wrist. And the buttons are going to be on the right. Or should I put them on the left? I'm going to put them on the left. So the buttons are going to be on the left. So essentially it's going to, yes, be like this. So this is good for me. Always on display. Yeah, that's fine. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. Get help in an emergency? Sure, why not? Track your daily activity? Sure, why not? Understand your sleep for better rest? Sure, I don't wear my watch when I'm asleep, but that'll be nice. Get heart rate guidance while you're running? I probably won't pay attention to that, but sure. Take your running to the next level with advanced... I don't like running. Like, I run because I have to, but I don't like it, so I won't need those advanced metrics, but it'll be cool to see, I guess. Get notified when an irregular heart rhythm is detected. I kind of don't want that because I don't want this thing to be, like, freaking out on me. So this shouldn't take long. I don't think it's going to take long, but anyways, we're going to be right back. I'm going to let this set up. All right, so as you see, it says we're all set. So let me change the bands accordingly to the orientation that I had it, and then we're going to give this thing a spin really quick. All right, you guys, so for the purpose of demonstration, this is on my wrist right now. It fits pretty snug. I like the way the band fits. It's on my left wrist, so I'm going to have to do some playing with it to see if the actual... Oh, that's cool. To see if the actual watch works while I'm working out. But yeah, it fits pretty snug. I like the rubber that's on here. It's pretty thick, so it feels, you know, sturdy on my wrist. So let's go through this really quick. So I do remember this. You have your notification icon here to the left. So when you have a notification, if you have these little emojis or avatars or whatever you want to call them, they'll kind of interact with that notification. So that's pretty cool. So I believe you swipe left, you can see all of your stuff right here. And you kind of keep going through it. And if you go to the right, who are these people? I don't know. They're just like randoms. August 8th, no more events. Oh, so this is like a to-do list kind of thing. So that's cool. You go here, you have your activity, daily activity. Let's see what, if we dive into this. So I'll count my steps, my active time. That's good. Active calories burned. Total calories burned. I didn't burn that, man. I didn't burn these. I just opened this watch. How are you telling me I burned 1,400 calories? I didn't do that. This must be old. Set targets. Yes. So let's set these targets. Let's see. Steps. I want to get to like 15,000 steps, but that is damn near impossible sometimes for me. Cause sometimes I sit a while because I'm making videos. Let's just do 10,000. We're going to do 10,000. 10,000 seems like a good number. Active time, 90 minutes. Let's change this to 45. I do go over 45 sometimes, or all the time. But 90 minutes, that seems like a lot, man. But so far, I think this is the 44 millimeter. I don't really have issues with my hands being too big or my fingers being too big. So that's good. Active calories. Or activity calories. So I want to change this to like, I think I had it on my Apple Watch to 740 when I'm working out. So we'll leave that to that. Okay. So we got everything we needed here. So what's the back button? Top button, is that the back button? I believe so. Yeah, it looks like the back button. So yes, you have your activity, body composition. This thing is never right for me because I'm muscular. I'll say I'm in shape, but I don't know. When they try to count my shape, age, and weight, all that stuff, it's never right. And I don't think it's usually right for athletes, but who knows? What else do they have on here? And I can add tiles. Okay. Batteries. I want to see my batteries. I only have 2 things. This is good though. Let's see. Let's add another tile. Let's see. And right now I'm just looking for like useful information. Buds controller. I don't have any buds. Media controller. Sure. Let's add that. Whenever we're listening to some music, we're cutting the grass or something, we need that. All right. So I have those things on there. So we're going to go back to the home screen. I believe this is the home button. Or if I double tap that, what does that do? Okay, that brings up the camera on my phone, I'm sure. Okay, so look, you double tap that bottom button, or at least however you have it preset, and it will activate the camera on your phone. So that's cool. I'm going to be using that a lot when I'm taking pictures. Let's see. So I think this is the home button. So let's see. Let's go over here and press this bottom button. This one right here. Okay, it is the home button. So let's take a look around the watch really quick. So if you look on the back, you have your sensor. There's really not much else on here. You just have your sensor here. And yeah, that's about it. As you can see, you have the quick release latches right here. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Again, I told y'all, I'm not one of these YouTubers that kind of just reads the script, makes you think everything's hunky-dory. Yes, it is a quick release, and it is easier to put in than the regular, spring prong things that they had before. But it was still difficult for me to clamp these on. It worked, but it was still a little bit difficult. So if you're thinking this is going to be the end-all, be-all, it's not. But it's better, but it's not. So this right here, this is a small/medium watch band. That's what that says, S/M. And then also over here, I believe this says 20 millimeter like band, I guess. And then if you look over here, again, you have your microphone and you have your back button and home button. You double tap it for the camera shutter. And then over here, you don't have anything. So let's check out some of these watch faces because I haven't looked at these watch faces in a while. Customize. I don't have an avatar. Those are pre-made. I would literally have to make one. I don't want to make one right now. Yeah, it tried to create me. That damn sure isn't me. I don't know what the hell this thing was doing. So let's go back because this ain't me. All right, so we're back here. I don't want to use those pre-made faces or it to scan me because it was not accurate. You have some favorites up here. This one tells you a lot of information. Let's see, what's this about? Look at that. That's pretty nice. It's like a health watch face. We're gonna leave that too after oh, no, go back. No. All right, we're gonna leave that for a little bit. Let's see. Go back into watch faces. So you have some different watch faces right here. I'm pretty familiar with that one. These health ones though, those are probably gonna be my favorite. You got a little dragon horse thing. What the hell? That's cool. Okay. So these watch faces have definitely improved since the last time I remember using this. This is nice. Let's see, what else we have here? Big bubbly letters. That's an eggplant. Okay, what you trying to say, Samsung? Activity, you got a little bear, a little doggy, geometric. Okay, so it seems like most of this is very informative. So those are the watch faces. And then you have app screen, tiles, quick panels. So everything that you need to control on here, you can essentially control it from the app, which we need that. Again, this is not going to be my full review. This is just going to be my hands-on. I will let you guys know how this thing performs in the long run. I don't want to make this video too long because it's just unboxing. And again, it's just, it's a watch. So it works the same. But thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.